As we always say, we are an academy that teaches information communication technology for free from different vendors. In this lesson, we'll be introducing another vendor. Make sure to watch till the end to learn new skills. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop the lesson. Welcome to Technology for All Academy, an academy that teaches information communication technology for free. To mention but a few, we have Cisco and MikroTik series. And in this lesson, we'll be introducing Linux series. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Thabang Makobe, the founder of Technology for All Academy. As I have said, our focus for this series is to learn Linux from a beginner to advanced user, and we will be taking it one step at a time. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a Linux machine or instance in AWS Cloud using console. Okay, let me go to it. I have already logged into my AWS account and ready to create an EC2 instance. If you don't know what is AWS Cloud and how to create an account, don't worry, I'll be doing AWS series soon, but you can also search it on YouTube and you'll get lessons from other channels. So now I'll click on launch instance, and on the graphic user interface that opens where it says name, I'll give my machine a name. I'll name it Red Hat VM1 for virtual machine 1. Okay, and then go down where it says application and operating system image. I'll select Red Hat. Go down, and where it says Amazon machine image, make sure you select every tier eligible. Okay, I'll go down, and also the instance type, I'll choose T3 Micro, which is also free tier eligible. We are going to create our key pair. Okay, I'll name my key pair lab test. You can name yours whatever you want, and I'll choose RSA and click on .pem. If you are using party, you can use .ppk. Create key, and let me go down. On network, I'm not going to do anything. Firewall, I'm going to click allow SSH traffic from anywhere. For now, I'm not going to use HTTPS and HTTP, so I don't need them. There's no need for me to click on them. Let me go down, and for free tier, your storage can be up to 30 gigabits. So I'm going to give mine 30, and then click on launch instance. Now that we are done with our instance, you can click on its ID to open it. Then we click the tick box of our instance. For us to SSH in our machine, we're going to need our public IP address, which is 13.246.233.150. So I'm going to copy it, scope it, and then I'll open PowerShell. Okay, Windows PowerShell. Okay, firstly you need to go to the directory where your key is being saved. I know mine is on download. Okay, I'll give the command cd download. For now, don't worry about this command. In our next lesson, you'll learn more about them. Now I'll give the command ssh -i lab test, which is the name of my key, .pem ec2 user at our IP address, and I'll press enter. And as you can see, now I'm inside my Linux instance. I'll give the command pwd, which stands for print working directory, enter, and as you can see, there's my path, which is /home/ec2. And with that, let me love and leave you. Hope this lesson was beneficial and informative, and if you learned a lot from it, please don't hesitate to share it with someone who will also benefit from it. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop another lesson. Thank you. Have a blessed day.